When I was a lad, I'd run home to watch this program on Channel 56, WLVI. And there was a guy who would announce it, Dale Dorman. Is that the guy's name? Where's Dale? How's he doing? Is he in jail? He sounded like he should be in jail. No offense to Dale. But anyway, I like these guys. They were a rock band that lived on the beach. And I thought that's what life would be like when I grew up. And actually, it's pretty close. Minus the beach. 1, 2, 3. Steppin' stone. I'm not just stepping stone. You're trying to make a mark in society. You're using all the tricks that you used on me. You're reading all them high fashion magazines. The clothes you're wearing, girl, that make you public scenes. I said, I'm not just stepping stone. Oh, no. I'm not just stepping stone. Not just stepping stone. Not just stepping stone. I'm not just stepping stone. When I was met you, girl, you didn't have no shoes, and now you're walking around like your front page news. You've been awful careful about the friends you choose, but you will find my name in your book on who's. And what I said, I'm just stepping stone. Oh, girl, not me. I'm just stepping stone. That's right, girl.
hired somebody to come record a demo for us. And we got this guy who's sort of an engineer, and he got like this 8-track recording unit, and we played that song, and afterwards we're desperate for validation. We said, so what did you think? What did you think? And he said, yeah, I want to think about a different song, like maybe Whiter Shade of Pale. It was such a good burn.
I just got that 25 years later. What a jerk. What he's saying is that we don't have a lot of soul, and we're pale.
He was implying.
All right, well, listen, I am very angry. You know, we were just kids. He comes into our house, makes our money, and what are you going to do? It was long.